and the stones, river sides, and then there's few gems, one more gems here, more stones away, and right there stones so be one more, and this look at this one. Okay. Oh, cherry stones water, and what this, man? Oh, this is water line. This, look at these stones, so beautiful. One by one, I just say this name. This is deep cloudy, I guess, gemstone, and this water line gems to was most nice quality. Look this gems. Oh, what is this? Yo, so beautiful about stones piece. What? And look this gemstone honey colors, and this is pure, yeah, pure gemstone. This color honey. You look this stones pure. Right, this good stone, and this got paste. This honey color stones here. Few more stone, but all the stones, this is stones so beautiful. Look this. Oh, so beautiful these stones. Actually, these stones valuable is price, good price. That's space working this good, and oh yes.